Hey people, part of my mission of having this channel is to speak about other pages and other channels that more people should follow, because I feel that when we come across something nice, it is our duty to let more people know of it. So on Instagram, there is this page by this therapist. His name is Dr. Sarthak Dave. He's, I think, Ahmedabad based, and my god, the range of issues he speaks on. I mean, it's a Hindi channel, and but he speaks of the fact that, you know be it anything, yeah, like whether people should stay in touch after a breakup, or how, the how the Indian society is, where girls are not encouraged to have any friends of the opposite gender, but suddenly when they are of marriageable age, they have to just choose some person, you know, just randomly based on some photograph, or probably just meet a person once or twice. I mean, that's how it happens, right, in the arranged marriage market. So he has a whole series of videos that he has on his Instagram page called Dr. Sarthak Dave. And truly, people, I mean, I'm a fan. I've just begun watching his videos and I'm hooked. So, really, so this is a page I can't recommend enough. And actually, through this YouTube channel, I want to encourage people to, be on Instagram, because it's a whole big world out there. So Dr. Sarthak Dave it is, and you can find his profile on Instagram. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.